I was shopping for new cars with my stepdaughter the other day. She was amazed to find that she could get all the facts about a car and buy it online and then pick it up from a vending machine. The reality is that in the internet information age, for most purchases, a salesman simply adds to the pressure and the cost of the transaction. It's exactly this concept that led to the most innovative development in the replacement window industry in 40 years and what makes ESP the industry's technology leader in the 21st century. You'll see the difference the minute you log into our site. Here we provide some background on the process, how the industry typically works, and of course what makes us different. There's a simple video which runs exactly 3 minutes, which explains how to measure your windows. It's really not rocket science. And after watching that video, you simply select the quote creator, and you're going to be taken to the next page where we're going to provide an easy reference, and you'll be able to find the description of multiple window styles, the designs, how they operate, available shapes, and more. Now, to email yourself a record of your quote, you simply provide the information requested. And then you're ready to begin working on your custom quote. Here, I can select the style of a window. I can select the color, the width, etc. Since I've measured my windows already, I'm going to select double hung windows. I'm going to make those windows white. I'm going to make them 36 inches wide. I'm going to make them 48 inches tall. I know that I have two of those windows that sit side by side in my home, so I'm going to enter those two windows. And I'm going to come up with an exact quote for those two window openings. Now, I might find that that quote's too much. How about if I take another look at different ways to configure this? If I were to say from my drop-down menu, how about if I put in a two-section slider? A two-section slider can fill the same opening, but do it with one window instead of two. Let's see if it'll work. Notice here, my boxes are outlined in red. That means that those sizes are outside the parameters that we can make a window. But if I come in and I say, now this is going to be twice as wide because it's two windows, but it's going to be the same height. It's only going to be one window instead of two. Here's what I find. By simply reconfiguring that opening, I've cut the price of that opening being filled by about 40%. Now here's the dirty little secret of the industry. No salesman's going to tell you about that option. And the reason he's not is because by cutting the price, he's also cut his commission. You can play with it and configure your windows any way you'd like. And when you're done, you simply send us a little note if you'd like. We like notes like this, for instance. Enter any applicable discount code you may have. You'll see that the discount is applied immediately. And then, when you email yourself your quote, you'll have a permanent record that you can use for reference, and you'll find, like all of my customers have, that we have the cure for all your window panes.